the Science Tea, and I'm coming at you today with my assistant, and we are going to show you some chemical reactions that create some foamy substances in an episode we're calling Foam It Up. So you better strap on your seatbelt because we are going for a ride. Okay, first off, we are going to make some chemical reactions. So safety first, put on those goggles. Excellent job. All right, now first we're going to show you the basic baking soda vinegar reaction. We already have two graduated cylinders here. Each one of them has 30 milliliters of just regular old vinegar in it. Okay, now we're going to twist this up just a little bit, and by that I mean we're going to put in a little bit of dish soap, and we're going to add some food coloring. That makes it really cool. We'll put some blue in there, and we'll put some orange in this one. Okay, so assistant, let's start out with some baking soda. In here we have just plain old baking soda, about 1/8 of a cup in there. Let's see what that one does. That's pretty cool. That was pretty good. Good job. Good job. Okay, now let's try it again. Can you put about the same amount, about 1/8 of a cup of baking soda in there? And this time we are going to add some Alka Seltzer packets, 2 of them. Why? Why not? Okay, so I've already ground them up in here, and we're going to add that to the baking soda just to see, is that going to do anything different? All right, ready when you are. Whoa, that was really cool. Wasn't that cool? That was really cool. Okay, so this time, look at that foam still. Which one do you think's better?
I like the one.
I like that one too. It's got that long-lasting foam, really thick. Nice job. Okay, let's take this one, get it out of the way, and this time we're going to use a catalyst. Do you know what a catalyst is? Yeah, what's a catalyst?
It's when you write a list on a cat.
No, we don't write on cats. No, a catalyst is something that speeds up a reaction. Yeah, not a cat. So this time we are going to use, instead of vinegar, we're going to use peroxide. Okay, this is just regular 3% household peroxide that you would put on cuts. Okay, would you like to pour, let's say, 30 milliliters in there? Fantastic. Okay, remember we like to spice things up a little bit, so we're going to add a little bit of soap. And let's see, this time, here, I'm going to put in some green food coloring. Okay, so for our catalyst, we need to take some warm water. We've got some warm water in that container. And we're going to measure out 2 tablespoons of the warm water. Is that about 2 tablespoons? And then to that, we are going to add a teaspoon of yeast. If you think about yeast, what does that do with bread? What do you think of that?
It makes bread rise.
Yes, it does, because without it, you might have crackers, right? We don't want that. Okay, stir that up. Okay, this is going to speed up that reaction. Remember, this is our catalyst. I think we're good. Ready? Do it. Ooh, look how that's building up, that nice mound around it. That's really cool. That's pretty good. What do you think?
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. But, well, people call this elephant toothpaste, but remember we like to do Mastedon in dental care, right? Because that's really cool. Fun fact, It can also be a Macedonian tusk cleanser because a tusk is a tooth. Did you know a tusk is a tooth? A tusk is a tooth. So we can clean our Macedonian teeth and tusks all at the same time. But we are going to step it up because this is kind of like a baby Macedonian toothpaste, right? Let's make it for the big grown-up Macedonians. Ready? All right. All right. Told ya. Okay, so this time, instead of using the regular peroxide, we are going to use this 20 volume stabilizing formula. And we're going to use 120 milliliters this time. Forget that 30 milliliter stuff.
It's more than that, but that's good.
Close enough, right? Sometimes close enough is good enough. Now, you can be mixing up the yeast again, 2 tablespoons of water. And I'm going to fix this up with our soap. And let's do, have we done purple yet? Here's your teaspoon. We're going to make purple this time because, you know, purple is my favorite. It's okay. We've all got it on track. It's all right if you make a spill. Accidents happen. Science is supposed to be a little bit messy sometimes, right? That makes it fun. Yeah, you're making more of a mess. Oh, wait a minute. You've got some more yeast in there. Get that yeast in there. We want as much of a reaction as we can. Except you're going to spill it all. Be careful, would you please? It's hard to get a good assistant. Yes. Okay, ready? Got your seatbelt on? Got it on? Okay, let's go. Whoa! If you look really closely, do you see that steam coming off of it?
Yeah.
Why do you think there's steam coming off of it?
I bet you it's exothermic.
What's that mean?
That means it's releasing energy.
We just made some energy. That's cool. Wow, look at that. Now, can we touch it, you think?
Yes, it's not that
So
hot.
it's not going to burn you, but look at that heat that it's releasing. That is so cool. Now we can clean our Macedonians' teeth and tusks. Wow, that was a really cool episode. What do you think? I think I'll keep you around for a little bit. All right, this is Mama P, the Science Tea, saying go do some science.